So let's take a look at question 5. As part of an inheritance, 3 children, Abby, Ben, and Carla, are dividing 4 vehicles using sealed bids. Their bids in thousands of dollars for each item are listed in this table. Okay, so we want to answer in the final allocation, Abby gets which items, and then in addition, she gets how much here she either gets or gives to the estate. And give your answer to the last question to the nearest dollar. Okay, so we want to make sure that we round to the nearest dollar in the end. Okay, so I've already added these up so that we can do the fair shares first. So there are 3 players. So let's get our fair shares first by dividing each of these numbers by 3. So 25 divided by 3, I believe, is 8.33. And since this is in thousands of dollars, that we could think of that as that's 8,333 already. I'm going to take it 2 more decimals for cents. All right, so there's that. Now let's do the same. That's Abby. I'll just say A for Abby. Let's take Ben. 21 divided by 3, fortunately, is a nicer answer. 7. And I'll put B in front of that one. And Carla, 27 is also nicer. And that's going to give us 9. All right, so let's deal with our first allocation. I might have to go to another sheet of paper just because this may not be enough room here. All right, so first, if we look at the bids for the motorcycle, it looks like Ben will get the motorcycle. Carla will get the car. Carla will get the tractor. And Abby will get the boat. So Abby gets the boat. Ben gets the, let's see, Ben will get the motorcycle. I believe that's it. And Carla is going to get the car and the tractor. Okay, so let's deal with Abby first. Okay, the boat to Abby is worth $5,000, but her fair share is $8,333.33. And we might find it easier to go ahead and convert that. So Abby still gets, she's got $5,000 worth here. So she's also going to get, if we take her fair share of $8,333.33, and we subtract off the worth of the boat to her, she's already got the boat, then she's still due $3,333.33. All right, now let's look at the motorcycle for Ben. Ben's fair share is $7,000. The motorcycle is worth $8,000. So he's going to have to give some into the estate account. All right, so we want to take the $8,000 motorcycle and subtract off the $7,000 that is his fair share. And he has to pay $1,000. All right, now Carla is probably going to have to pay in since she's getting two things. So let's take a look. Carla has a fair share of $9,000, and she's getting the car. It's worth $11,000, so she's already got $2,000 more than she should. And then she's got the tractor, which is worth $6,000. So together, these are worth $17,000. So if we take $17,000 and subtract off her fair share of $9,000, she's getting $8,000 too much. So she's going to pay $8,000 into the estate. All right. And that's just weird. So let's now figure out what's in the estate account. So I'm just going to call it bank. Okay, so Abby, well, let's start with the stuff paid into the bank. There's $8,000 coming from Carla, and that's in the bank. And then there is $1,000 coming from Ben, that's in the bank. And then Abby will get out $3,333.33. All right, so let's put that into our calculator and see what's in the bank. 56, 66, and 67 cents. All right, now there's extra money in the bank, so we need to divide that among the three players and give it back to them. So let's take that amount. That's our surplus amount. Divide it by three players. And each of them should get back $1,888.89. Okay. Now, since we only have to give the answer for Abby, we only have to give Abby back this $1,888.89. So Abby gets the boat. We can go ahead and check that. And I'm still in this little add-on, so it's not going to let me just click in that box. And then, in addition, she's going to get this $3,333.33 and $1,888.89. So let's add those two together. 33.33 plus 1888.89. And she's going to get 52.22. So it's going to add to 52.22. And it told us to round, give the answer to the last question to the nearest dollar. And of course we changed things back into the normal thousands of dollars, so this is the answer we need to get when we round that to the nearest dollar. So it should be 522.2. And let me get rid of this just so we can, and it's probably going to make it all go away, yeah. So boat 5222, and it should be that she gets that money. And hopefully that will help.